How to reset your Amazon password if you forgot it. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Amazon password if you've forgotten it. This is a super simple process that will help you regain access to your account in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, let's go to the Amazon website. Simply search for Amazon website or amazon.com in your web browser. Now you may be prompted to enter the CAPTCHA. Simply do that and click on continue shopping. Now at the top here you can find an option that says sign in. Tap on it. Now in the sign in page, simply tap on need help and click on forget your password. Now Amazon will ask you to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Make sure to enter the correct one and click continue. Now Amazon will send you a code. Simply tap on it or open your email or phone number and simply type in the code that was sent to you. Lastly, you'll be needed to enter the full name associated with your account. Just do that and click on continue. After that, you'll be able to reset your password. Simply enter your new password 2 times and that's it. That's how you can successfully reset your Amazon password.